For superb preparation of 11th, 12th and NEET, stay connected with studies, which makes your preparation ease.
So hello students, क्या बात है, सही है. Welcome to all new channel studies which makes your preparation for 11th, 12th and NEET easy. So stay connected with first topic cockroach. Let's get start. So students, आप देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे कॉकरोच का मॉर्फोलॉजिकल डायग्राम है जिसमें कॉकरोच की बॉडी के डिफरेंट बॉडी पार्ट्स के नेम दे रखे हैं, जैसे फ्री फ्रॉम एडस, जैसे हेड, थोरैक्स, एब्डोमेन, compound eyes, protonome, mesothorax, metathorax, and anal cerci, which is a sound receptor, have forewings and hindwings, in which forewings protect the hindwings and hindwings help in flight. Thoracic region: prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax. Prothorax has two legs on both sides, one leg on the right side and one leg on the left side. Also mesothorax, also this type of structure, and metathorax or this type of structure. Mesothorax have wing called forewing, which are opaque, leathery, protect hind wings but not helps in flight. But metathorax has hind wings which are membranous, transparent, and also helps in flight. So these are the features through which we can differentiate between male and female cockroach. मेल विंग्स एक्सटेंड बियॉन्ड एब्डोमेन, एब्डोमेन रीजन से बियॉन्ड एक्सटेंड होते हैं मेल कॉकरोच के विंग्स. एनल स्टाइल प्रेजेंट इन मेल, एनल स्टाइल प्रेजेंट ओनली इन मेल, नॉट इन फीमेल्स. नाउ 34 to 53 मिलीमीटर्स के कॉकरोच की रेंज पाई जाती है इन लेंथ, एंड दे आर नॉक्टर्नल, मीन्स दे आर एक्टिव ड्यूरिंग नाइट, omnivores, both carnivore and omnivores. Cursorial मतलब फास्ट रनर्स, they are fast runners. Have chitinous exoskeleton. They also have metameric segmentation and E segment called metamere. Metamere exoskeleton called sclerite. Now students, we are going to study about digestive system of cockroach. Now on the upper part of the digestive system of cockroach, there are salivary glands and salivary reservoir in which saliva stores. There is esophagus, crop, and gizzard in foregut region of cockroach. Gizzard has chitinous teeth like structure which मतलब काटता है वो मतलब कि फूड को. And on the midgut and foregut junction there are gastric cache which are 6 to 8 in pairs, helps in digestion and release digestive juices. Midgut में maximum digestion होता है, and on the junction of midgut and hindgut there are malphizian tubules which are 100 to 150 in numbers and helps in excretion. On the hindgut there is ileum, colon, and rectum. So this is the digestive system. Now we are going to respiratory system. In cockroach respiratory system, air enters having sphincter, spiracles. There are cuticular rings, tracheas, and there are tracheoles which are connected through the organs. Now on the ventral sides of cockroach there are system of the respiratory system of cockroach. There are spiracles which are 10 in pair guarded by sphincter. This is a respiratory system of cockroach. Now let me go to the circulatory system of the cockroach. The circulatory system of the cockroach, there are aorta, ostium, pericardial sinus, aliary muscles. Aliary muscles are 12 in number, 12, and fan shaped, present between two chambers. And the heart of the cockroach present in the pericardial sinus. cockroach के पास 13 चैम्बर्स होते हैं हार्ट में, फनल शेप्ड होता है, चैम्बर्स हैव ओपनिंग कॉल्ड ओस्टिया. एलरी मसल रेगुलेट मूवमेंट्स ऑफ हीमोलिम्फ वाया ओस्टिया. ओपन सिस्टम होता है इनके पास, कलरलेस. हीमोलिम्फ कलरलेस होता है. Now we are going to nervous system. In nervous system there are optic nerve, brain, subesophageal ganglions. Below esophagus, subesophageal nerves present below esophagus, parathoracic nerve, mesothoracic, metathoracic nerves, and ventral nerve course, abdominal nerves also present there. सुप्राइसोफिशियल गैंग्लियन ये वेंट्रल साइड पे होता है सबसे पहली बार। सुप्राइसोफिशियल गैंग्लियन 3 फ्यूज गैंग्लियन होती हैं, 3 फ्यूज गैंग्लियन से बनती है। नर्व्स कंट्रोल एंटीना कंपाउंड आई पेयर्ड वेंट्रल सॉलिड नर्व कोड प्रेजेंट होती है इनवर्टिब्रेट्स में। बाय इनवर्टिब्रेट्स देयर इज सिंगल डोर्सल होलो नर्व कोड प्रेजेंट होती है। 3 thoracic and 6 abdominal ganglion प्रेजेंट होते हैं। Now we are going to reproductive system of a cockroach. In male there are testes, phallic gland, tubules, seminal vesicle, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, pseudopenis and phelomere. Testes 1 pair होते हैं trilobular 4 to 6 in number. Phallic gland form protective covering spermatophore. Seminal vesicle white shiny stores sperm not converted into spermatophore. Vas deferens 1 in pair. Ejaculatory duct vas deferens combined to form ejaculatory duct having mushroom gland 6 to 7th abdominal gland को उस पे segment पे। तो phelomere chitinous asymmetrical around male gonopore help during copulation. Female having phelomere which is hard chitinous structure help during copulation. Ovary have 1 pair has 80 ovarioles 2 to 6 segment. Oviduct paired होती है, pair fuse to form common. Spermatheca paired होती है, store करती है sperm received during copulation. Collateral glands pair में होता है, secretion form egg case which is called ootheca. Ovarioles has 1 egg 80 in number, एक एग एंड 80 इन नंबर होते हैं। ओपनिंग ऑफ कॉमन ओविडक्ट इज फीमेल गोनोपोर। सो गाइस ये यहीं पे ख़त्म, ये चैप्टर यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है। हम अगली वीडियो में मिलेंगे। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो आप इसके लाइक शेयर एंड कमेंट जरूर करें। बाय।